Guys, sorry, I didn't say I'm out. I accidentally blew into my camera and clicked my home button, so now you're getting 2 videos. Because I'm an idiot. I've got moistures in blowing, so science is terms. Anyway, this is part 2 of Nature Trail in reverse. The roof. I blew on the bottom of the camera and it clicked my home button, so it went on home and ended the video. So anyway, I'm gonna do my outro now, but I'm not ending this video. I'm out. That's the intro from the last one.
I'm out, is that it?
That's my outro. That's what I said.
Yeah. All you say, don't go, oh, subscribe, like, comment, whatever.
No,
Like,
that's just a needy
like.
person.
I know.
They can subscribe and like if they want. It's up to them, not up to me.
I don't even know I just did that, you know.
You don't beg for likes and subscribes. You just get them.
You do.
I don't. Is a subscribe and like, the subscribe and like. I am.
No, you're not.
Subscribe.
Camera equipment.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get my mum to buy me one.
Really?
Or I'll just save it for one. Also, that's the sun. Yeah. That's the sun. It's not as bright on camera, but if you've ever stared at the sun, it's blinding. I'm blinded by your grace, by your grace.
I didn't really put it on that one. You just.
Yeah, I've just recorded the sun. Sun, you're starring in this video. Good job. Wait, the sun is a star. Right. Can't even tell me if I'm wrong because the comments are done up. Anyway. I'd swear in this video, but YouTube's probably going to demonetize me. I don't want to be demonetized. Almost burped. I'm trying to burp, it's not coming out.
Run.
There we go, I just burped. Run.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You're faster than me, that's me.
That's why I'm going back. So I'm going back. So they can see you running.
Why did I see me running?
Because it's funny. Look at that. The wild Maddie, like an elegant gazelle, running through the wild. I need to pee. Because I had a drink of water before I came back. Yeah, guys, you're getting 2 videos. That's 5 videos today. These videos can only get uploaded when I've got internet. So they're not even going to get uploaded after I've finished them. I have to upload them once we get home. Make sense? Makes sense. If anyone's ever uploaded a video, they know that you need internet for it. Sun's over there. Not even going to look at it. Yeah, I am. I'll look through it through the camera though, so it's less blinding. Anyway, we're going in the dark forest now. So I might be able to see my phone better, hopefully. Because I've stared at your phone at light, you can barely even see it unless you turn it into daylight mode. But yeah, I can see my phone a lot better. It's a little bit darker in here. Can't see the sun as well because it's behind the trees. Yeah, there's like trees here. And this is the best part about nature, and it matters, the trees. Also, this is Maddie. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Maybe.
Yes, she has a YouTube channel.
I'm not saying my name. So if you want to follow me, go on my TikTok account.
Don't follow her on TikTok. Maddie. Maddie Cassell. XOXO. That's your name on YouTube.
No.
That's your name on TikTok.
Yeah. My name on TikTok, Maddie.Cassell.xo. I can't remember to this way.
We came this way in reverse.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
There's like bricks and stuff sticking out ground, so be careful. Dude, we should just pull a brick out of ground and take it with us. What's in it? Oh, look, it's a bird there. Can you see that bird there?
Yeah.
Can you guys see it? I don't know if you're seeing it, but there's a bird down in there. I don't know if you guys saw it because I won't look into my camera, but I'm hoping you saw it. Yeah, I'm getting nature on trial. The fence here. Oh, battery's low. Maddie, my battery's low. I need to get home. Maddie, go, 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 go. This is a beautiful part. We're near a train station, so we've gone past our house. In fact, if anything, we're walking at the side of our house, because our house is over there. Yeah, I know where I am. We're coming out to the train station now. Out from the beautiful nature walk. No, I'm not telling them where we live. Which I have told them, but...
Why have you told them where you live?
No, in past videos. There's a bird there.
Still, you're not supposed
The
to
bird.
say where we live.
Dude, I want people to come find me. I want to see who my subscribers are, even though I already know who they are.
So don't come crying to us when they come to us now. That would make sense. Don't
Why
come
would
crying
the-
to us when they find you in.
Bring it. I tell them to bring it. Because you've seen how many weapons I've got. I've got a real one. It's called a knife. And I grab it in my kitchen to stab people. Anyway, we're at his house now. I'm pointing down. Yeah, I'm gonna cover up the camera.
People have been talking to us.
So I'll just pause it. Right. Guys, we're in his house, by the way.